Customer asked for flash paper demonstration. Well, 3 out of 4. Now I have burn marks on the table there and on the wall. Great. Perfect match. So here we go. This is the Star Trek Discovery inspired laser rifle. Custom colors. He asked for the reddish paint. He saw the Call of Duty ray gun I uploaded and said, oh god, no, I need that paint. And I was like, oh, no problem. So there we go. And additional lights in the front and in the back. Tactical rail on top. He insisted on the foldable foregrip there. I'm not a fan of that. I would have probably gone for something like more sci-fi with a thumb hole or something like that, you know, something a bit more sci-fi. But he's happy, I'm happy. That's the rifle. Paper. Burns pretty fast. Sometimes customers ask me, where goes the battery? So this time I painted on a tiny battery just to make sure it's under that one. And that's it, guys, just a short demonstration. I don't want to show too much of the rifle because he has to explore and enjoy his toy when he unwraps it. And what could be up next? Finally, the Atlas nerve, and as you can see, it's most of the paneling is done. So maybe this one, maybe something else. Stay tuned if you want to find out. I see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.